Welcome. If you're looking to quickly find all the files shared in a Telegram channel on your PC, you're in the right place. With Telegram's newest update, this process has never been easier. Let's walk through each step together so you can get straight to the files you need without wasting time scrolling through endless posts and messages. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. You don't need any special plugins or complicated setup. Just make sure you're using the latest desktop version for Windows, Mac, or Linux. With Telegram open, locate the channel you're interested in. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list or by typing the channel's name into the top left search bar. Once you've found the channel, click on it to open the chat window. Next, look at the top of the chat where you'll see the channel's name. Click on the channel name or the profile picture. This opens the contact info page for the channel. This is where you'll find all the details about the channel, but more importantly, direct access to every shared file. Inside the contact info page, you'll notice several tabs, such as Media, Links, and Files. Click on Files. Instantly, you'll see a list of every file that has ever been shared in that channel. Documents, PDFs, images, videos, and more. Telegram organizes these attachments so you can search, browse, and download whatever you need with a single click. Whether you're looking for a specific report, a photo collection, or a long-lost spreadsheet, you can now access it without the hassle of scrolling through months of posts. Just open the Files tab, and your attachments are all in one place. You can preview or download any file directly to your computer. That's it. With these simple steps, Telegram's latest update makes it effortless to organize, find, and save files from any channel. Try it out and see how much easier it is to stay organized and get exactly what you need every single time.